Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to get to the dreamy town of Alacati, a place that honestly looks like it's straight out of a Disney movie. It's that beautiful. I'll also take you to the nearby town of Cesme, which is perfect if you just want to relax by the sea and enjoy some peace and quiet. So, let's get started. The closest city to reach Alacati from is Izmir. Once you get to Izmir, the rest is super easy. All you have to do is take the metro and get off at Fahrettin Altay station. For example, I took the metro from Basmani station all the way to Fahrettin Altay. It's really clear on the metro map which line to take and how many stops you'll need. By the way, the big shopping mall Alaçatı Park Izmir is also right at this station. When you come out of the metro, just walk a little bit ahead until you see some stairs going down. That's where the bus station is. If you want to go to Cesme, Alaçatı, or Urla, just hop on the bus heading to one of those destinations. Urla is another beautiful coastal town near Cesme and Alaçatı, and if you have the time, I definitely recommend checking it out too. The bus ride to Alaçatı takes about an hour, and once you get there, wow! Alacati is truly an incredibly stunning town. The streets of Alacati are just magical: cobblestone roads, beautiful houses with colorful doors and windows, cozy cafés and restaurants with such a lively vibe, cute little shops, ice cream spots, souvenir stores. Everything there feels so charming and gives you such a good energy. The symbol of Alacati is its windmills, which are also one of the best photo spots in town. If you want to visit Cesme, you can easily hop on a dolmuş, that's the Turkish minibus, from Alacati, and it only takes about 30 minutes to get there. Cesme is another gorgeous town with a great atmosphere. You can walk by the marina, where there's also a historic castle right next to it. Cesme is filled with private beaches. They're so pretty and perfect for relaxing and unwinding. And at night, it gets even more fun with music, DJs, and beach parties. So don't miss the nightlife there. Getting back to Izmir is just as easy. Simply catch the bus from Alacati, and in about an hour you'll be back in Izmir. So, that's it for this video. If you're looking for an amazing summer getaway, Alacati and Çeşme are definitely must-visit destinations. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also check out my travel videos to Pamukkale and Ephesus.